right, Patriot faculty and staff, this is the Math Patriot bringing you our final video in this playlist on how to actually import the calendar events. Now you'll see that in my last video I deleted out that green AB calendar, and so there is nothing in there for all of 2017 and 18. I'm going to be importing them into this AB calendar too. The way that we are going to import events is to go to Settings, and then Settings again. Go over to Calendars, and then in the middle of the screen you have this Import Calendar. So I'm going to click on it. Now, important right here, make sure that you select the correct calendar. I always do that first because I don't want to make a mistake on this. If you accidentally put on the wrong calendar, you're going to have that whole delete individual things in agenda mode that we covered in the last video. Please do this one first. Then choose your file. Now, realize what I'm about to show you is a different file location than the one I put in the email. Please use the one from the email because everyone has access to that. The reason I'm not using that one is because, again, I don't want to put out information about our share drive out on YouTube. So use the one that I gave you in the video. This one is just inside my H folder. Now, I know that my schedule is 1, 2A, 3A with a lunch, and then 5th period. I also have a 1, 2B, 3B with a lunch, and then 5th period. So all I'm going to do is import the ones that I need. So for example, I've got 1st period here, open it up, and import. It's going to take it a few seconds, usually about 5 to 10, and you'll see that 176 events have been imported. Now, if I go back to my calendar at this point, you can see that I have got 1st period loaded on every single day. Well, let's go back and finish off the rest of the schedule. Again, over to calendars, import calendar. Always going to do my AB calendar first. I've got a class period 2A. I'm going to import it. This time only 89. The reason for that discrepancy is that our 1st and 5th period are every day, whereas our 2, 3, and B classes, 2, 3, and 4 classes are every other day. All right. That was 2A. Now I'm going to do 2B. Now I'm going to do my 3A with a lunch. And as you're importing lunches, if you do a B lunch, you'll notice it has like 170 as well. That's because there are multiple class periods. You've got an appointment for both before lunch and after lunch. So appointments for both of those. My 3B with a lunch, import it. Now I have 4th period conference on both days, so I am not going to import my 4A or 4B because I want those spots to be open on my calendar. I'm going to import period 5 onto the AB calendar. All 170-ish are going to import. And now I go back to the calendar, and as you can see, my schedule is set up. It's all in there, and everything accounts for, there's my blank Thanksgiving week, etc. So feel free to watch this again. Like I said, quick and easy. It's all done, and let me know if you have any questions. Math Patriot out.